WhatsApp is a cross-platform messaging app that has 2.5 billion active users worldwide. If someone on your contact list has been annoying you, or you simply want to avoid them, you can simply block them on WhatsApp. However, it can get a bit aggravating when someone blocks you. Also, if the user is blocked, the app does not notify them. So, how to find out whether someone has blocked you or not? Worry not, we have got you covered. A missing WhatsApp profile photo, status, and last seen are the earliest and most obvious signs that someone has blocked you. The person may have blocked you if these are absent or you only see the same photograph you have saved in your contacts. The person may have blocked you if these are absent or you only see the same photograph you have saved in your contacts. However, because some users prefer to keep these settings private from everyone, it could be a false warning as well. You can also seek other indicators. For example, WhatsApp will always show a single tick mark rather than a double tick if you send messages to a blocked contact. To keep you more informed, a single tick shows that your message was sent from your end, while a double tick indicates that it was delivered to the recipient. In addition to these way outs, you can also add the person to an existing or a new WhatsApp group. If you encountered a notification that says couldn't add, it's most likely because of the block. If you can add a person to a group successfully, it is evident that the user has not blocked you. If these signs do not help you for some reason, you can try making a video or voice call to that person on WhatsApp. If these signs do not help you for some reason, you can try making video or voice call to that person on WhatsApp. If you're unable to make a call, the individual has likely blocked you. WhatsApp has made it clear that these instructions are ambiguous to preserve the anonymity of users who have blocked someone. However, it also implies that other factors at play may lead to the events described above. Furthermore, users may ensure that their attempts to check do not result in cyberbullying or harassment. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with Propel Guru's YouTube channel for more such updates on the technological and digital sphere. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.